Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like and comment on the video. If you're ready, let's go to the video. Walnut is one of the most beneficial for health among nuts. Walnuts, which are very high in calories, are rich in unsaturated fatty acids and are rich in vitamins and minerals. Iron, calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, sodium, zinc, copper, manganese and selenium minerals in walnuts, vitamins A, B, C, E and K make walnuts an extremely important and useful nut. Walnut, which contains essential minerals especially for the functioning and functions of the brain, also draws attention with its brain-like form. What are the benefits of walnut shell? Well, do you think this magnificent fruit is only useful and healing inside? Countless benefits are hidden in the hard shell that protects this miraculous nut. According to research, the benefits contained in walnuts are also hidden in the shell. Yes, walnut shell is a useful substance. Let's take a look at what this hard shell contributes to human metabolism. What are the benefits of walnut shell? Walnut shell, just like walnuts, is used in medicine for the treatment of various types of diseases. Walnut shell is a cosmetic raw material for nails, hair and skin care. The benefits of walnut shell include maintaining and restoring body resistance. The outer shell of the walnut can be brewed and drunk just like tea. This is good for coughs and body fractures, especially colds. Walnut shell can also be used to reduce worms and parasites in the intestines. Tea brewed from dry or fresh walnut shells can be drunk 2 cups a day. For rickets and diabetes caused by vitamin D deficiency, 10 to 15 walnut shells can be boiled and drunk every day. When the juice of green, i.e. fresh walnut shells is extracted and applied on pimply skin, it can be observed that pimples and blemishes are removed. If dry or wet walnut shells are thrown into boiling water and boiled for 10 minutes and then the hair is washed with this water, it can be observed that hair loss stops. Hair washed with walnut shell water gains both shine and strengthens. Walnut shell benefits include being good for hair dandruff. If the hair is washed with water obtained by boiling the walnut shell every day, the graying of the hair will also decrease. In addition, the water of this cure gives the hair a dark brown color. Walnut shell juice can also be used in the care of hand and toenails. If your nails are thinning and breaking, you can apply walnut shell juice. This cure will strengthen your nails and make them grow healthier and faster. How to use walnut shell? You can pound the dry walnut shell in a mortar and grind it into powder. Walnut shells, which have antiseptic properties, also contain plenty of vitamin E, which provides many benefits from preserving youth to maintaining body resistance. The use of walnut shells can also be by boiling in water. Apart from beating and powdering the dry walnut shell, you can also boil it in water and provide various benefits. Walnut shell juice can also be turned into mouthwash in the mouth. In this way, tooth enamel is strengthened, oral and dental health is protected, and it is easier to shed intestinal worms. Bacteria that cause infection in the body are also cleaned. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and support the videos. I wish you to be healthier.